Morning children. Today we are going to start with the new topic. So the name of the topic is the Indian Railways. So the Indian Railways, it is one of the world's largest railway networks. So today we are going to learn about some basics knowledge about Indian Railways. So our Indian Railways or Bharatiya Railway Network, its routes cover the entire length and breadth of the country. That is, it binds the social, cultural and economic fabric of India. And the distance it covers is from Udhampur, that is from Jammu in the north to Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu in the south, and from Ledo, Assam in the east to Dwarka, Gujarat in the west. And our railway system, it transports passengers, animals and also commercial goods. It also carries army transport weapons and other top secret things from one place to another. And the largest Indian employers are working in Indian Railway. So in India, the largest employers that works is in Indian Railways. And the Indian railway system, it was introduced by the British in India. So when the British were ruling India, at that time the railway system was introduced by these British people to India. And now overall there are 7,000 railway stations in India. So all over there are 7,000 railway stations in India. And the Indian Railways has one of the world's largest railway networks. So, in our Indian Railways, they are one of the world's largest railway networks. And the longest railway platform in the world and in India, it is in Gorkapur, UP. So, in Uttar Pradesh, the longest railway platform in the world, that is in Gorkapur in Uttar Pradesh. Gorkapur Junction Railway Station, it is a major railway station which connects eastern Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, Nepal and northern India to Bihar. So, it is the longest railway platform in the world and in India. And the famous railway sea bridge which connects Rameshwaram Island with the mainland, it is called Pamban Bridge. So it was the India's first sea bridge and was the longest sea bridge in India. So Pamban Bridge, it is a railway bridge which connects the town of Mandapam in mainland India with the Pamban Island and which connects Rameshwaram. The slowest train in India, it is the Nilgiri Mountain Railway Line, which is in Tamil Nadu in India, built by British in 1908. And this railway, it is operated by the Southern Railway. So the slowest train in India, it is the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. The train traveling the longest distance in India, it is the Vivek Express. So the Vivek Express, it is the longest running train and it starts from Dibrugarh, that is in Assam, to Kanyakumari, that in Tamil Nadu. So it is the longest route on the Indian railway networks in terms of distance as well as time, and it is currently the 24th longest in the world. And it covers a total distance of 4,234 km from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari, and it takes 79 hours to cover this distance, and it has 57 intermediate stops. So Vivek Express, it is the longest railway, it is the longest train traveling longest distance. India's shortest platform names, that is IB and OD. So IB, it is in Odisha in India, it is the shortest name, as well as OD, which is in Gujarat, in Jhakla in Gujarat. It is also a station, and IB and OD, they are the India's shortest railway station platform station names. The measurement of train track, that is broad, meter, narrow. So even the size capacity of something, it is always measured, it is a measured. So the instrument that is used to measure train track, it is called gauge. So it is used to measure the broad, meter, even narrow. They are the examples of train track gauges. Smallest railway track, it is called as narrow gauge. So the smallest railway track, it is called narrow gauge. And the first Indian railway in the history of India, it was operated on 16th April 1853, and the first passenger train, it ran between Bori Bandar, that is from Bombay and Thane, and a distance of 34 kilometer. Now we will see the exercise part. See, in the exercise part, we have to fill in the blanks with the right answers. So first one, it is the slowest train in India is the dash train. That is the slowest train in India. It is the Nilgiri Mountain Railway. So you can write there Nilgiri Mountain Railway. Now see the second one. The train traveling the longest distance is the dash. So which train travels longest distance? That is Vivek Express. So second one you can write Vivek Express. Now see the third one. The longest railway platform in the world, it is in Gorakhpur, UP. So the longest railway platform including India as well as in the world, it is in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Now see the fourth one. IB and OD are India's shortest dash names. So they are the India's shortest station names. So one is in Odisha and one is in Gujarat. So they are the shortest station names. Now see the fifth one. There are over dash railway stations in India. So there are total 7,000 railway stations in India. You can write 7,000. Now see the sixth one. Broad, meter and narrow, they are examples of train track. So they are the examples of train track gauges. So the gauges, it is an instrument that is used to check the broad, meter and narrow. Now see the seventh one. The Indian railway system was introduced to India by the British. So when British were ruling India at that time, Indian railway system was introduced. So you can write seventh one, British. Now see the eighth one. The smallest railway track, it is called as dash gauge. So it is called as narrow. Narrow means small. So you can say the smallest railway track, it is called narrow gauge. So you can write eighth one, narrow. Now see the ninth one. The Indian Railways has one of the world's largest railway networks. So Indian Railways, it has world's largest railway networks, that is in the Jammu as well as down here in Kanyakumari, west, east. So the Indian Railways, they are the world's largest railway network. So you can write ninth one, network. See the 10th one. The famous railway sea bridge that connects Rameshwaram Island with the mainland is called Pamban Bridge. So you can write 10th one, Pamban Bridge. It was the first railway sea bridge that connected Rameshwaram Island with the mainland. So it is called as Pamban Bridge. Now see the next part. So in the next part, you have to match the following trains and locations with their descriptions. So see the first one, that is Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. So Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, it is also known as DHR, or it is also called as toy train. So you can match first one in the box, you can write E, that is toy train. Now see the second one, that is Lifeline Express. So Lifeline Express or Jeevan Rekha Express, so it is a hospital train that runs in India and it started running on 16 July 1991. So it is also called as hospital on wheels. So see the first option, that is A. So you can write second one, Lifeline Express. It is also called as hospital on wheels. So you can write in the second box A. Now see the third one, that is Palace on Wheels. So Palace on Wheels, it is a luxury tourist train and it was launched by the Indian Railways with Rajasthan Tourism Development Corporation. So it is in tourism in Rajasthan. So you can write third one, Palace on Wheels. It is a luxury train, so that is option G. So you can write on third one G, that is luxury train. Now see the fourth one, that is Fairy Queen train. So the Fairy Queen train, it is also known as the East Indian Railway, and it is a steam locomotive, and it was built in 1855. So it is the world's oldest steam engine train. So see the option F, that is in 4 you can write F, that is world's oldest steam engine train. And the Fairy Queens runs on the same route as the Palace on Wheels. That is how where the tourist train run in the same route this Fairy Queen also run. Now see the fifth one, that is Gatiman Express. So Gatiman Express, it is India's first semi-high speed train which runs between Delhi and Jhansi. So it takes 265 minutes to cover 403 kilometer. So it is the fastest train in India. So you can write fifth one, option B, you can see fastest train in India. So fifth one you can write B, fastest train in India. It is the Gatiman Express. Now see the sixth one, that is goods train. So goods train, they are carrying goods products, that carries cargo, that is which comes from through ships, aircraft. So things which are coming from overseas, that is by sea route, also, and freight that is coming through train, and it is transported to the goods train. So you can see the option H, it carries cargo and freight, that is products or things that is from one station to another. So you can write sixth one H. Now see the seventh one, that is Shatabdi Express. So Shatabdi Express train, it is a fast passenger train operated by Indian Railway, and it connects metro cities with other major cities for tourism and other purposes. So it is an intercity superfast train. So you can see the option D, that is intercity superfast train. You can write seventh one, option D. Now see the eighth one, you can see from the image, it is a Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus. So the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus, it is also known by its former name Victoria Terminus, and it is a historic terminal train station, and it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site because of its building. So the terminus, it was designed by British born architectural engineer, and it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can write eighth one, that is C, option C. You can see a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So write eighth one, option C. So I think so children, you have understood some of the basic knowledge of Indian Railway networks. So write the fill in the blanks, do the homework and study the names. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.